This is Rosewood complex in Glenburn. It's a 7-unit complex. It's on Outer Ohio Street. We are going to look at unit number 6. These are 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath units. They're quite nice. They started out as actual condos. When the previous owner took over, they rented them as actual apartments. But they're pretty nice. They're townhouse units, two-story units. They do have radiant heat, which is nice. There's no baseboard heat, no radiators. The heat actually comes from the floor through hot water pipes. So it's very comfortable. You can walk around in your stocking feet or bare feet, and it's very comfortable. So this is a living room, pretty good size. There's a very nice couple living here now. They have a couple of kiddos. So the living room is quite spacious. They have a nice big table set up here. Actually, dining room table, good place for that. The kitchen's not exactly an eat-in kitchen, even though it's quite large. So this makes a great spot for a dining room table if you're inclined to have that. This is the front door. And this walks into the kitchen. There's a nice closet space right here. Actually pretty deep. And then here you do have a half bath, which is quite convenient. And then again, the kitchen is actually a really, really good size. It has nice ceramic tile floors, nice stainless appliances, lots and lots of cupboard space and counter space. It has a nice sliding door out to, there's a back patio. It's not a deck, it's basically a crushed rock, but there is a nice backyard back there. But it's really not great for an eat-in kitchen. And then over here you have a laundry area. It's in its own separate little closet. Actually a pretty good sized closet. It has a nice shelving space up there. Then you have the hookups down here. This is actually their washer and dryer. You'd have to provide your own, but really good space in there for that. Again, nice backyard. There's privacy partitions in between the units. It's all wooded back there, so it's very private. Again, pretty spacious down here. Upstairs you have 3 bedrooms and a full bath. So right up here at the top of the stairs you have the bathroom. So upstairs you don't have the radiant heat. Doesn't make sense to do that, but there is hot water baseboard heat up here. The heat is provided with propane. It is included in the rent. Full tub and shower. And then over behind the door, you have a little linen closet. And here you have bedroom number 1. Bedroom's really, really good size. You have a double closet over here. This one looks out into the backyard. This is one of their kiddos' rooms, has the bunk beds. Across the hall over here, this is maybe an extra room. I don't know if it's their kiddos or not. I'm not sure how many they have. I think they just have a couple. And then again, your closet over there, standard size closet. And you have a hallway down to the end. And this is their master. Again, you have a double closet. This is a full-size bed. You could definitely get a queen-size bed in here, no problem. So there's carpet upstairs and on the stairway. Makes for good sound control. So 3 good-sized bedrooms. I think this may be the largest one. Could be meant for the master, but they've got the bunk beds in here, so that's probably why. But they're all really, really good-sized bedrooms. Again, the full bath upstairs. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit. Townhouse style. Heat's included, water, sewers, private, so that's included. They do the parking lot snow plowing, lawn care. So tenant just pays for their electric and their internet, whatever they want to do there. So if you're interested, you can visit us at rentbangor.com website or call 207-974-6606.